How to find hidden message requests on Messenger. So, the first step is by opening your Messenger app, and then you may click on this three lines found on the upper left corner of the screen, or you may just swipe right like this one. And then you may see the message requests option right here. So you may click on it, wait for it, wait for it to load, and then you may click on not now right here. So you may see hidden message requests right here. So under you may know, so these are the people who message you that you are not friends with Facebook yet. Also, there are spam messages right here. So you may click on it and you may also see messages that are placed in the spam of Messenger. So that's it. That's how you can find hidden message requests on Messenger. So that's all for this video. Let me know in the comments section if this works out for you. For more helpful tutorials like this, please subscribe to our channel and don't forget to click that notification bell. Thank you for watching and have a wonderful day.